Too many blenders look interchangeable. Start with the Vitamix 5200 for demanding daily prep. Switch to Cleanblend for value or KitchenAid K150 for compactness. Choose by workload, pitcher size, controls, and storage. For demanding daily prep, buy the Vitamix 5200. It's built around versatility. The tall jar, broad speed control, and tamper suit smoothies, nut butters, sauces, pureed soups, and larger batches. The long warranty also makes its premium cost easier to justify for frequent use. But its roughly 20 inch assembled height can complicate storage beneath low cabinets. Skip it if you blend occasionally, want preset programs, or don't want to manage speeds manually. For strong drink performance without the premium brand cost, choose the Cleanblend Blender. It fits households focused on smoothies, frozen cocktails, ice-based drinks, and straightforward sauces. You get a high-power, full-size machine at a lower entry price. However, its lowest speed starts aggressively, so gradual tasks offer less control. The included 5-year warranty is also shorter, and support is online rather than by phone. Skip it if you regularly blend soups or prioritize precise low-speed adjustment. For smaller kitchens and occasional blending, choose the KitchenAid K150 3-speed ice-crushing blender. Its lower profile, 48-ounce format handles basic smoothies, frozen drinks, small sauces, and soup without dominating the counter. The trade-off is capacity and power. Dense mixtures may require more liquid or pauses to free trapped ingredients, and drinks can retain more texture. Its warranty lasts 1 year. Skip it if you need family-sized batches, very smooth results, or frequent dense blending. Quick split. Choose Vitamix 5200 for demanding daily prep, Cleanblend for powerful drinks at better value, or KitchenAid K150 when counter space and lighter use matter most. Before buying, measure beneath your cabinets, confirm the pitcher capacity, decide whether presets matter, and consider how often you'll clean and store it. Start with the Vitamix 5200 if blending is a regular part of cooking. Switch to Cleanblend when drink performance and price lead, or KitchenAid K150 when space matters more than heavy-duty results. Links are in the description. That's the brief. Fit, trade-offs, and skip if before you buy. Subscribe for the next buying guide.